The black screen of death on your Skyworth Smart TV can be frustrating, but it's often fixable with proper diagnosis. Understanding the common causes will help you identify the right solution. When your Skyworth TV displays a completely black screen, there are three main culprits to investigate: power supply issues, backlight failure, and T-Con board problems. Let's examine each cause and learn how to identify which one is affecting your TV. Power supply issues are often indicated by a flashing power light. This means the TV's self-diagnostic system has detected a problem with the power supply board or its connections. Backlight failure can be diagnosed with a simple flashlight test. If you see a very faint image when shining a bright flashlight at an angle to the screen, the backlight has likely failed while the display panel still works. T-Con board problems typically manifest as visible lines on the screen, faded images, or negative display effects. The T-Con board connects the main board to the LCD panel, so issues here affect image quality. Before diving into internal components, always check your cable connections first. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected. Try different HDMI ports, and test various input sources to rule out simple connection issues. Proper diagnosis of these common causes will help you identify the root problem and guide you toward the most effective repair solution for your Skyworth TV's black screen issue. Start with the simplest solution: a complete power cycle. This resolves many display issues by clearing temporary glitches in the TV's system. First, unplug the TV completely from the wall outlet. Wait a full 60 seconds to ensure all capacitors discharge. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 1 minute to drain any residual power. If the power cycle doesn't work, test the backlights. Turn on the TV and shine a bright flashlight at an angle to the screen. If you can see a faint image, the backlights have failed, but the display panel is working. For advanced troubleshooting, you'll need to open the TV. Always unplug the TV first for safety. Remove the back panel screws to access the internal components. Inside, locate the main board and power supply board. Disconnect the cable between them, then plug the TV back in. If the backlights don't turn on, either the power supply or the backlights themselves need replacement. The T-Con board connects the main board to the LCD panel. Issues with this connection can cause display problems. Locate the ribbon cables connected to the T-Con board. Carefully disconnect the ribbon cables, then clean the contacts with a pencil eraser to remove any oxidation. Reconnect the cables firmly to ensure a good connection. If hardware checks don't resolve the issue, try software solutions. Access the TV's settings menu to perform a manual software update or, as a last resort, a factory reset. Also check different HDMI ports and cables, as connection issues can sometimes appear as display problems. These simple checks can save time before more complex repairs. DIY repairs are increasingly feasible thanks to available aftermarket parts and comprehensive online guides. With basic tools and patience, many Skyworth TV display issues can be resolved at home, saving significant repair costs.